What I would like to show you today is my new product line for organization of modular workspace and workbench. In particular, this set it's still in the final stage of development and prototyping, and it would be possible to order it in January or February next year. And I designed this set to primarily work with PhotoEft. As you see, it's a modular structure. First of all, what is really a special of my set, that it's all done on a magnet. So all connections between different tablets, as you see, it's magnetic. Yeah, and on the one hand, it allows everything really nicely stay together. But at the same time, if you push just a little bit strength, you can just like disconnect it and remove individual tablets from this set. And of course, one of the ideas of the set, just stop fit your carpet monster or your floor monster if you don't have carpet. But and that includes this station, so this tablet with plexiglass insert. In this case, it's kind of dark red brown one. But if you are interested in different colors, I also, for example, have like the different colors. It's not really nicely in this light, but it's really nice green one. This is completely black one. That I really also like. This is dark blue one, transparent plexiglass, light gray. Yeah, and also if you're in principle interested, just normal white one. Yeah, and so you have this central station. At the same time, you also have as an extra this tablet for, it's a little bit here, it's written R5, but it's more than R5. So also this tablet where you can, for example, cut your plastic part. At the same time, as I said, it's also everything modular. So, and if you want to have it for larger parts, because I mostly have a lot of Edward, and that's really usually the largest one. It fits really nicely on that. But if you have some larger sheets, you can also work here. If you really would like to have something really extra large, I could also, upon request, produce these tablets on R4 or larger sizes. Another part, as you already could see, this is this holder for, again, it's very modular. If you want, you can remove it. This holder for PS sheets. So it's very convenient. So you can really put your sheets here. This is the large one for large sheets. Again, if you need, this is standard large. As you see here, you have standard small one, also in a smaller tray. Yeah, so it's kind of removable. At the same time, if you want this large one here, you could. It's also modular. You can take this this large inserts, put it here, and have small tray but tall holders. Yeah, and again, if you want to have it even taller, so I could also produce it upon request. So this is two main cutting parts. It also includes, upon one of the suggestions of the small black parts, so tablets, so which you, for example, could cut some piece, put it here. It's very nicely seen. Again, it's magnetic. You can move it in another direction, and again, it's not floating around, so it's pretty nicely fixed here. Yeah. What is also important, of course, tools tablets. As you see here, it's like two with inserts for some small, for example, small scalpel. Here, larger, it's like larger scalpel. Also some like simply parts for cutters. What is also coming, I'm still designing it. It will be also some separate with an even smaller hole where you could put more of these files. And of course, very important, these holders for glue, for cement. And it could be also designed in a different. Here you see, for example, this long tablet for this small standard bottles where you could put 4 of them, or at the same time, if you want, you can have individual one and just like attached here. As I said, so this structure is also pretty, as you see, it's easily detachable. If I want to take it out, I just can easily take, for example, you take it with instruments. As you see, I use this, and it's pretty compatible with also this cosmetic organizers, and you just put it here and close. Yeah, it's very convenient. So, and for example, take another one with different tools and put it here. At the same time, here I will also make really different inserts. It's also pretty much removable. So if you want, you can have this large one, or like you see here. Yeah, so it's small one. Or as I said, it will be also separate one, small one for this files. And it's see, oops, clop, it's connected, and it's again clop connected. Yeah. And another very, I think, convenient part and feature of this set, that if you already have or going to buy my swinging stand 200 or 330, let me just remove it and I will show you. Then you can also connect your walking space to this stand, and it works pretty easily. You have this small insert also on a magnet, so you connect it here, connected. You see what is the advantage of the magnets, all construct is going together. At the same time, it's really easy to disconnect. And for example, here you see this is stand 350 with this small Titanic hull, and what I could do, you see here, oops, and it's also magnet connected, yeah, and it's again everything like stay very nicely together. And actually, for those of you who already bought this stand, maybe you paid attention that on the bottom you already have all these connectors. They're already coming with these holes. So I was planning this set long time ago, and I just pre-designed this hole. So you see here already magnets. So if you already has this stand, so when you order this working set, so you will also get, for example, the small 3 magnets. Yeah, and whatever you need to do is just take this connector when you go and put this magnets. I will pretty much very nicely describe this in next videos and also instructions, because of course you should take care about polarity, how you insert it here, just to be correctly capable to connect to this small tablet. And so on. It also could be done. This is a small one, but of course if you work with a larger Titanic or other ships, for example here, you can see this is a large one which is coming to one of the customers. It's even like not already trio, it's quattro, yeah, because it's really high demand on stability. And it's again here, so you have in this connector magnets, and as you see, it's everything together connected, so it goes all together, and at the same time, really with a little bit straight, it could be disconnected. Yeah, it's again here, you see there are magnets here. So, and all this holes, so as I said, I will pretty much explain how to connect this all. Yeah. So as I mentioned, this is now in the final stage of prototyping and developing, and will be available for ordering in January, February, and then I will also come with a pricing, because this pricing is not yet finally decided. So I am really looking forward for your feedback, ideas, or if you have ideas, as I said, about different these tablets for different tools or different size, let me know. This is kind of already standard, which will be definitely in this set, but if you have any ideas that you would like to have larger tablet, for example, for larger this plexiglass plate, or this large, for example, R4 cutting mat, let me know. And yeah, as I said, upon request, I could produce this components which you need for your organization of your bench. Okay, looking forward to hear your feedback.